I'm gonna miss just being on set. I'm gonna miss being with those great people. The crew and the team and Peter and the other actors.
One day I'll remember everything that happened.
Ian McKellen as Gandalf the Grey, and Richard Armitage as Thorin, and Martin Freeman as Bilbo Baggins. That I'll miss.
I'm gonna, of course, miss my ears and my hair, because they're amazing. But I think the thing that I would like to be able to do at least once a month is walk onto a Peter Jackson set and have a fully realized Middle-earth. That experience was like being a kid in a candy shop.
I enjoyed making The Hobbit more than I ever thought I would. It was 18 months of shooting, and I'm going to miss the fact that I'll never get to do that again.
Will you have peace or war?
I'm a little sad to say goodbye to Middle-earth at this point. It actually felt like we were there. It felt like we were in this extraordinary, mythic place. In the IMAX experience, you can see far and wide.
The IMAX screen is so immersive that you feel like you are actually in some of those scenes, which is exactly what we wanted.
I can't imagine Middle-earth being depicted any other way.
Will you follow me one last time?